Hello and welcome to Knowledge by Nature. In today's video, I have a brand new unboxing for you, something completely new in our homeschool that I'm really excited to check out and to show to you. So grab a drink and let's unbox this thing. All right, so as you can see from the side of the box, this is from Oak Meadow. So they did send this complete set to me, no cost of my own, for my honest opinion. Today it's just going to be an unboxing. So we are about to be heading into the 6th grade, and through that process I have been looking at different curriculum, different material as we enter this new level. And so I feel like the higher level you get, there's just less videos out there. And so I reached out to Oak Meadow because I was super duper interested in their history curriculum. Well, we got to talking and they ended up sending me the whole 6th grade package. So let's check it out and see what all we got. Now, I have never done an all-in-one curriculum before, and Oak Meadow offers all of that. And wow, I mean, when I was looking at the stuff online, it'd be really, really cool to just be like, hey, here's everything, just do it. And so I'm really, really excited to see what all is in this, and I hope some of this stuff ends up working out for us. So first, let's just see what all we've got here. So on the front, we've got 6th grade materials on this cute little like poster card thing. I like this little drawing here. This is the inventory for the complete grade 6 package. Those not purchasing a package in its entirety will not receive all of the items on the list. So it looks like we're going to be getting an English course book, ancient civilizations. You know what? We're just going to dive in and we're going to see, okay? Now, I do know that Oak Meadow follows something called the Waldorf homeschool or teaching method. That's something I don't know a ton about. I have looked a little bit into it, and it looks like it really draws in like the art side of things. So I don't know. I think this could be a great way to keep some like whimsiness going into a homeschool as you enter that 6th grade. So it looks like we've got some books here on the front. We have the Ugly One, the Golden Bull. Sorry, I have like plastic stuck to me. There we go. All right, we have the Eagle of the Ninth. Once There Was, Twice There Wasn't. The Rainbow People. Maru of the Winter Caves. Ah, fun! The Adventures of Robin Hood. Ooh, Alchemy and Meggie Swan. That looks cute. That looks really cute. Says she arrives in London with her only friend, a goose named Lewis. Okay, well that got me. Okay, I like it. And then Castle Diary, the Journal of Tobias Burgess. So, looks like I'm going to have quite a bit of pre-reading to do if I choose any of these. I would assume this goes with our English, but that is the set of books that would be going for 6th grade. How fun is that? All right, underneath the cardboard, we have the ancient civilizations. So this is something I was super duper interested in. So we are rolling back around in history to the ancient civilizations. And when I saw this, I was super duper intrigued by the way that it's set up. Like I said, lots of art projects. This is very colorful. I mean, not like crazy colorful, but you can see we've got some colored images here. This looks super exciting. So we have like a little reading section, some assignments, an assignment summary, materials. And then what do we got here? Okay, begin the work, activities, all sorts of things. So this is the course book. So this would be like your student book, and it is a spiral bound notebook. I will definitely be doing like flip throughs of all of these one at a time also. Ancient Civilizations Teacher's Manual. Oh, I love the size of that. Now, I'm a huge fan of small text. I like that a lot. So that is not a huge teacher's manual. So I really, really like that. The course book is quite hefty though, but that's okay. You know, it looks like we've got the student text and workbook in one. So that's not too bad. Up next, we have the Basic Life Science. Here is our teacher's manual. So it looks like these are color also. We're looking at the scientific method, the environment, biology, cells. We've got some plants. Then we have animal kingdom, human life, some final projects. So yes, not like a ton of like colored images or anything like that in the teachers, but you can see there is color. It's not just all black and white, which is very appealing to my eyes. Here is the basic science course, basic life science course book for the student. So let's see, we've got the blue and the black and the tan colors. None of the images seem to be color in this one, but there are quite a few images. Nonetheless, they're just black and white versions. So that's, I do love a colored workbook, but that could still be really, really good. Okay. English. Okay, this is the 2nd edition teacher manual. Now, from what I understand, the English and the history tie in extremely close together, like they work together. So if you're only going to do 2 of these, you might want to do English and history because they coexist really, really well together. So I think a lot of your English assignments are maybe going out of the readings that are part of your history reading. So yes, this is our Oak Meadow teacher manual. Looks like we've got that same like blue and tan sentence structure, nouns, poetry, capitalization, misused words, comparative essay, prepositions, sentence building, persuasive essay, opinion essay, homophones, synonyms, antonyms. 36 lessons here for this. Again, not a giant teacher's book. So it says read the grammar, finish reading Maru of the Winter Cave. So it has like a little list of the summary there. So we can see that the readings tie in directly maybe with the English, but then also tie in with the history. So again, this is like an unboxing today. Here is the course book for the English, 2nd edition. Here with the student book, I'm seeing we have this like assignment checklist again. The assignment, lots of vocabulary words. We've got reading, learning assessment. Oh, there's also for enrolled students because you can actually be part of like an online program with this. That's not what we will be doing if we use any of this stuff, but that is an option. It tells you what to do. So I just saw the golden bull in there. We've got some possessive nouns. I don't really see any images or anything in this. It just looks like mostly text and some graphs and tables, things like that. Okay. What's next? Oh, math. Okay. So I have never, ever used anything but Singapore math. So this will be interesting to see what another math program looks like because I don't know. I don't know what anything else looks like. So this is grade 6. This will be interesting to see how this is set up in comparison. So that is really, really cool. Again, videos coming out on all of these things, but this is the course book. So that is for 1 year. That is a tiny, tiny course book for a teacher. Yeah, okay, that's the course book. I wonder. Okay, well, we're going to have to do a deep dive into that one to figure out for sure. What else do we have here? Okay, workbook. Okay, that's hefty. So here's the workbook for the student. Looks like, where's our color? Oh, this is all black and white. Okay, no color that I'm seeing with this so far. Lots in black and white. So this is interesting. I wonder, is the course book set up for the student to like read to themselves, or is the teacher gonna do it? Ooh, very, very interesting. For each lessons are found in the course book. In the workbook, you will find all the practice worksheets for each lesson. Ooh, this is interesting. Again, there's the families enrolled. Here's for the parent. Many students are working well on their own, able to pace themselves and work independently. Oh, okay. Wow. This is cool. I want to check this out and see what that's all about. So let's see, I have, oh, very cool. We've got the book of Greeks, a book of Greek myth, I am really excited to come back into this time. We did a story of the world when she was much smaller. And so we haven't done ancients in quite a while. So I'm excited to get back into this. I just think there's so many fun things to do with the whole hands-on stuff for history in the ancient times. That looks fun. Okay, so this is a big, nice book. Very cool. And one more thing. Here is our last thing. 1001 Inventions and Awesome Facts from Muslim Civilization. Okay, so that's cool. Super, super colorful. Really, really big colorful pages. Wow. All right, awesome. And so this is from National Geographic. Now, it is my understanding that this is a secular history or curriculum altogether. So we'll kind of dive into that and see how things are as far as if that's something that is interesting for you, like if you need it to be that. But yes, this is the entire 6th grade kit here. One book I put back in here, but then we've got the Miss, we've got the math, we've got the English, we've got the science, and we've got the ancient civilizations. So that's super exciting. I would say I will probably be doing a flip through and review on the history first, because that is one I'm super duper interested to see. Likely be following the English. And so yeah, let me know if there's anything you like really, really want to see from this. All of the reads look so good. Again, this is the whole 6th grade kit. So if you need a whole box of 6th grade curriculum, this is it. It's going to get you set up and ready for the year. So I am excited to be doing some flip throughs on this. If you have any questions or comments on this first initial unboxing, be sure and put them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.